Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. It's another day on the infamous search for Terry.
That's right. We're going to find it.
Do you honestly think it'll be in here?
Well, this was one of the suggestions. The fan said to check the trailer.
It's like 900 degrees in here because this thing's been shut up. I don't think it's going to be in here. But if you
We've looked everywhere else.
I know we've looked everywhere, but why would it be in here? Didn't it say something a world or something?
He said behind a door.
Right.
So
every door
we have checked all the kitchen cabinets. We went out in the woods again and we checked in there.
Where the so-called door was alongside the tree.
Right. We even took a shovel and dug. We checked that fort back there. Somebody had suggested that maybe it could be in the fort. We checked back there. Nothing.
I think this is a Jesse Wild Goose Chase, is my opinion.
Well,
and he's probably cracking up the whole time.
But I really think I'm going to check. I already checked the bedroom, but I thought.
But look at all the doors. There's doors everywhere in this place. Doors, everywhere. Door. Don't do this. Don't. Oh, that's a different song. Sorry.
I don't know.
I know it's just a wild goose chase. That's what it is.
I think it's time for a hint.
Oh, Ms. Terry is going to ask for a hint. Finally.
It's been weeks now. I have to get a hint. Because my brain is not working where his brain is working. I need a stool to get into all these.
Well, I don't think Jesse could reach that.
Yes, he can.
There's nothing in there. Look, I can see in there. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. There's the back of the TV, because the TV comes down here. See, nothing there other than camping stuff. That's what I say. And this one I don't think we've ever used because, yeah, it's nothing. This one we've never used. You know, put a pizza tray in there. There's nothing up here. So I just think it's a waste of time.
Oh, yeah, I'll get a hint.
Oh, did you look under the chairs? Remember, there's hiding spots under the chairs, not the...
Oh.
No? I had a brain fart.
I forgot all about these. I could keep things.
Well, I had a brain fart that's why I asked if it was that.
All right, I'm going to have to ask him for a hint.
Hint it is. You know you're being messed with, right?
I mean, I don't know. He tells me...
But look how hard that ground is.
He tells me no. He tells me...
He tells you, but
all the... He tells me that I gotta dig wider.
But all the hunts that you put those kids through over your career as a mom, he's just trying to get you back.
He said he's not lying.
Well, maybe
I
it's
should
just
move
fibbing.
this guy.
Maybe, yeah, that guy, maybe. You're like dislodging your whole...
I know, I'm going to have to rebuild.
Right. It's like...
Look, there's grubs in here.
Right,
do you see that?
I know. That's a rock.
Oh, that's a rock.
Yeah, that's a grub rock.
Wait a minute. Why did that
felt
feel
loose.
Very loose?
It did. It almost looks like tubular too. Like,
but the thing is, how could he have dug a deep hole?
Right.
While, like, he was taking a big chance of us coming out here.
Right. Did he come and do it while we weren't here, though?
I can't. Well, I don't know. Come on, that's deep enough.
We'll go to your right with it or something. Like, because that's hard as rock there.
Oh, there's a root there.
Oh.
See it?
Yeah. I don't know. I think he's messing with you, darling.
He said, into a world of wonder.
Right.
Right? And this is supposed to... Why would this lead to a world of wonder?
I don't know. Maybe because the door and the ladder. And you can't go too much further to the right because the flower's there.
Right.
What's that thing there?
Where?
Right there. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, see that root comes all the way out to here.
Right. I would do some right there and then, I don't know, I just think you're getting messed with here. Big time messed with. I get the backhoe out. We'll dig this whole stump up.
Yeah, right. Something's wrong. Something's wrong.
Yep.
It can't be here.
Okay.
So, I just asked him for another hint.
And
He told
it's not
me,
in this state?
He told me that it looks like there's even more dirt on it now.
So it's further
So
out.
I say it's out here.
Well, fill the hole back in and get the excavator out.
So,
Oh, that was a good one, John.
oh my goodness.
What?
So there's more.
Nobody else
dirt
farts?
on it.
Remember where your borderline was?
Well, I dug right here.
Okay.
So,
Oh, that looks like fresh soils had been dug there.
but it's hard.
Right.
Well, it has been in there for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Or
Where you made
More-
that Indian rice pie?
more than 2
Oh, where'd
weeks.
it get? Oh.
Oh!
Don't scratch it, just dig it. Oh. You better dig under it. It's deep. Oh, boy.
Oh, it's a long one.
Never said that before.
What do you think? Huh, Luna? Mommy got a
Look
present.
at me, you'll give me pimples too.
There's a present for me.
Thank God it's in plastic. This has been a long time.
Is this another puzzle?
He didn't go too heavy on the plastic, did he?
Aww. Happy Mother's Day. Let this gift restore your creative energy. It's a magic healing crystal. I had it enchanted. With it you will feel renewed. There is magic all around us still. We just have to look for it. Oh, here they are. Aww. That's such a great idea. What's this?
Oh,
Oh, wow. How cool is that?
it is.
Oh, that's going on my gnome desk.
It's like the pyramids of old.
I love it. So nice. Thank you, Jessie. You see?
John, what do you think? What do you think this little thing is?
I think it's awesome.
It is awesome. Is that
I
real
think it's
gold in there?
awesome, and I think Jessie did a great job. And
I agree. Jess, you drove your mother bat crap crazy. You drove your father crazy because your mother was driven crazy. And I don't need any help to be crazy because I've had moments of being crazy my whole life. So, what do you two guys think? Oh, silence. Silence is golden. I understand that. Gnomes don't like to talk a lot, but what do you guys think about this with your little sombreros on? See, they have nothing to say either. So,
well, they don't talk. They talk when you're
yeah,
not
they're
around.
meditating anyway. which is a good idea to do, meditate. But I don't understand the concept of it. It's like we have gnomes, we have fairies, we have two separate worlds here. We have a world in the back where your writing room is, and this. So how does this fit in? Does this fit in with this and this? Is it a gnome fitting? Is it a...
It's a world. It's another world.
So it's a world inside of a world. So now this is something new that we're going to pursue as a part of the yard. We're going to have a world inside of a world inside of our yard. Is that something that's coming now too, hon?
If I want it to come, it can come.
So
it's a symbol of creativity and opening up your mind and
opening up your mind. What if I opened this up with a sledgehammer? Or what if I threw it out in the woods? Would it come back to you like a boomerang? Does it have sentimental value to it? Does it have a basically?
Yes, it doesn't. Don't you even suggest it, Jeff.
I'm just saying. We got driven crazy by this little pyramid.
It was
the Egyptians are crazy about their pyramids.
Hunt.
I agree it was a good hunt. But what do we got when we're done? What are you going to do with this? Is this going to be like a dash mount? Because back in the day, remember the taxis used to have little crowns and stuff like that stuck on the dash? Is this going to be on the dash of the Volkswagen? Or is this going to be...
It could be. It could. I'm going to do whatever I want to do with it. What does it matter? I don't understand why you're giving me a hard time about that.
No, I'm not giving you that. I'm asking you is basically what I'm doing. I'm trying to figure out if this is going to be like, okay, we have the gnome village, which is beautiful out there, and this gnome village here. Do we create a pyramid out of stone out here and put this on the top? So maybe like a prism, the sunlight comes down, beams through it, and then it opens up another world? Is that something possibility it could be?
That's a good idea.
Okay. We could put it on top of the bird feeder pole, and maybe it will show the light down on the bird feeder for the birds, which is empty, I'm just noticing right now. So...
How many beers have you had?
1.5. This is the other half of the one. That's it.
Okay.
So I'm deep thinking, because I'm trying to think, okay, you have all these worlds. What do I have? I have the liquor store that I'm out of beer, so now I got to go to the liquor store. Can I take this thing and put it there and see if they'll give me money for this?
Accept it for payment?
Right.
Give me it.
Well, it's better than that. It's better than me throwing it. So, okay, so I have the liquor store. So I'm going to go take a ride, and I'm going to the liquor store because you got your prism, you got your pyramid. All right?
All right. So do we get a sign off or anything?
Hey, everybody. Thank you for looking at the Ridgway world. It seems like it's all about the Terry world and the gnome world and the pyramid world and these guys. They sit with me out here, but they don't talk to me.
And you love them.
It's depressing. It's depressing because they don't talk to me. Either way, everybody have a great day, a good life, and enjoy the gnome village.